Good afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past question number 5. And the instruction to this question says we should choose the option that is most nearly opposite a meaning to the given word. And the given word there, is our focus, is indifferent. Indifferent. Then the sentence says the chairman is indifferent to the plight of the workers. The chairman is indifferent to the plight of the workers. Option A say apathetic about, B say aware of, C say concerned about, D say undisturbed about, E say unsympathetic to. Now I want to talk about indifferent. Indifferent is the same as pathetic. Indifferent is the same as being pathetic. Being pathetic. So it cannot be. Then when we say aware of, that is he has the knowledge of. Then when we say concerned about, concerned about is the opposite of indifferent. Then when we say undisturbed about means not concerned. When you are not concerned about something, or unsympathetic. And then when we say talk of unsympathetic is unsympathetic mean on disturbed, or lack of concern, and so on. So the only word that's the ordinary opposite meaning to this word called indifferent is concerned about, because indifferent means lack of concern. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.